Hi guys, this is Shivashankar back with a new video. Recently, every Windows user facing a new issue, that is Windows Update Assistant. Even after uninstalling Windows Update Assistant, it will be reappearing after a system reboot. To solve this issue, I found a new solution so you can get rid of this issue. See, it's downloading, but it completely drains your data. So, to solve this issue, you should just follow the same procedure what I followed, otherwise it won't get work. Now, in the search bar, go to this Cortana search. And type Windows Firewall and Advanced Setting and open the setting. Open the setting. Under that, select Impound Rules and here create a new rule. Select Program and click Next and browse to your Windows Upgrade folder that is placed in your C drive. Okay, let me show you here. You can see here Windows Upgrade file. Select one and select the first one and click Open and select Next now, and here click Block the connection and click Next and Next and name it here. I will be naming it as Windows Update Disable. That's all. Whatever you can be named it as, just I'm naming like this and select Finish. Follow these same steps for every files that is present in this one folder, that is Windows Update folder. Just select every file and click on Next and block all the file so that it won't connect to the internet. You're blocking here through the Windows Firewall. Now after that, select Outbound and create a new rule and follow the same procedure as Impound bound option. Same, what you did in the previous steps, carry out the same steps in this option too. Remember guys, you should follow this step, otherwise it won't work. After searching everything, and now I got these steps working, and you should follow the same too. And now after completing all the things, after blocking every file, you can see that it has been blocked here to Inbound and Outbound also it has been blocked. Okay, I will close the program now here. And now in the search bar, type Task Scheduler and open it. Under the Task Scheduler, open Microsoft, Windows, and search for Update option and disable all the settings. With the name start with the Update Assistant or something like that. Let me show you this one. Update, select this folder and disable all the files that has been appearing here, all the settings files, that is configure Windows and something whatever the system in your system you may see, just disable it. In my case it is update assistant. You disable those things. Follow these steps what I'm following here. And sometimes you may face that you can't forcefully stop this one. You can use a task manager to completely delete this file. You may work like that too, but you don't follow those procedures. You can just follow my procedure what I'm following. It has been completely worked, guys. You can see this result later. Now you can see after I have disabled every option starting with update this something blah blah blah. Okay, after that now close this file. Close this tasker. No. Without closing, guys, sorry, I just made mistake. You should go for Windows Update and disable every option here. Yeah, you can directly disable it. No issues. After that, close the update, this one task scheduler, and in run command type gpedit.msc and select OK. Now under group policy, select administrative templates and go for all settings and search for your configure Windows automatic update. Config automatic update and open it. And now here select disable and press OK. Now close this option file or settings. Now you can see there is no Windows Assistant app here. Just you can manually launch it to check whether it's working or not. I will select try now. Yeah, you can see there it's telling that it will be downloading, the same as the first time error. Wait for a few seconds, you're going to get shocked. Yeah, let's wait for a few seconds. Yes, congratulations guys, you have completely disabled this one Windows Update Assistant. Yeah, it worked guys. Now it won't get updated, okay, it won't be annoying you. That's all guys about this video. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel to view more videos like this. And please don't forget to share this video guys. Many are facing the same problem. For that issue, I made this video. This video is for all of you guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.